Hey guys, Yamina Hall here, and in today's video I want to talk to you about the best way to get started with ClickFunnels in 2019, guys. And the best way to get started with ClickFunnels is actually to do the one funnel away challenge. That's right, the one funnel away challenge. So if you've been online, you've probably been hearing a lot of buzz about the one funnel away challenge that Russell Brunson does. ClickFunnels has been actually doing this for I guess maybe about 8 months now, 6 to 8 months, I don't know. They do it, and they just started doing this not too long ago to help with people, to help people with getting their funnels up, getting their products and services out, and just really like being real supportive and helping people learn more about ClickFunnels and what it does and how you can get your funnels and how you can sell your products and your services actually just basically through a funnel. So they created the one funnel away challenge, guys, and it has been like super amazing. There's been a lot of people getting started with ClickFunnels. There's been a lot of people able to get their funnel up. Now, this is, I believe, the third or fourth one. I can't remember because I've joined every one of them since they started, and I already have funnels going, but I joined the one funnel away challenge just for like the training. The training is amazing, guys. The business training is amazing. You're not going to get this training like in college and schools. You're not going to get this type of marketing training at all. There's nowhere you're going to get this. I don't care how much money you pay for school. But I go for the training, the marketing training, guys, for the community. And I kind of just learn something new every time I go through the challenge. So it is a great challenge. But I want to talk to you about this book. This is the book this is what the challenge is based around, right? Russell Brunson asked about 30 different top affiliates who are in ClickFunnels, and it's basically asking you suddenly lose everything and you only have Wi-Fi, you have a roof over your head, right? You have Wi-Fi and basically a roof over your head for 30 days. What would you do to get back to your status, to get back on top? What would you do if you lost everything, right? And you only had 30 days to like reinvent yourself, rebuild yourself, and you had access to the internet and you had a roof over your head for the next 30 days, right? How would you build your business back up in 30 days? And so these top affiliates, now these people are making like $1 million or more inside of their funnels, and so they're actually telling you step by step their process and what they would do. You see how thick this book is? So it has some really amazing information in it. I haven't even begun to read it as of yet, but just to show you, they have someone named Allison Price in here. I believe she does, she's a 2-comma mama. So she does e-commerce, okay? I know there's Rachel Peterson. She's a social media manager, which I'm going to read her story and find out what she's done because I want to aspire to be a social media manager. Let's see here. I don't know what other women. I think Julie Stone's in here. Steve Larson, I know he's in here. So they talk about quite a few different things. I have my $100 fake money with Russell Brunson on it as well, guys. But basically the challenge is based around this book. So you do get this book inside of the kit. Okay, when you do join the challenge, you do get this book, guys. So I would say the best way to get started with ClickFunnels, guys, would be to join a challenge, to join the One Funnel Away challenge. Now, I'm doing a lot of different bonuses. I'm actually promoting the challenge this time. I didn't promote it last time just because I was going through it, and it was, I was doing a lot of different things. But I am actually promoting the One Funnel Away challenge. I am an affiliate of ClickFunnels, so I am giving like some massive killer bonuses if you join the One Funnel Away challenge with my link, which you can click the link in the description below here to get registered. The next one is actually going to start April 29th. Okay, they do them I think it's every month or every couple of months, but what happens is they open it up and then they close it. Okay, so they kind of get ready for the next challenge when you're already kind of in a challenge already, if that makes sense. But the next one is for May, so the deadline would be like April 29th. So people are still in the March, I believe it's the March challenge. People are still going through that. It's almost over, but people are still going through that. But right now, as of now, you can get registered for the May One Funnel Away challenge. Okay, so you still have quite a bit of some time, but you want to get registered for it as soon as possible, because you're going to be getting a One Funnel Away challenge kit in the mail, which I did do a video on that. I don't know if I released it as of yet, but you do get this. And let me just show you what else you get. You get a workbook too. So, I mean, you can download the workbook until you get your kit, but you get this, you get a workbook, and you get some other stuff inside the kit. So it's really amazing. I got like 2 kits already. Let me show you this. You get this great MP3 player too as well. So you do get quite a bit for the money that it does cost to join the challenge. It is a small cost to join the challenge of about $100, but you know what? That challenge is worth way more than $100, guys. So plus, like I said, I'm throwing in a lot of bonuses. I'm throwing in some funnels. I'm throwing in some coaching calls. I'm throwing in some free tools that I use. So I'm getting all my bonuses together now. I actually have some already, but I have to add more on. But guys, go ahead and click the link below this video in the description and get registered for the One Funnel Away challenge for May. Okay, April, May. Okay, it's starting in April. It's starting the end of April. It's going to end sometime in May. I don't have the exact dates right now, but I do know that the last day to register for the next round of the One Funnel Away challenge is going to be April 29th. So with that being said, guys, make sure that you do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure that you do subscribe, like, comment, and share this out. And I will see you guys inside of the challenge.